I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put water in Toyota Prius. Open the hood and secure it, then find the translucent washer reservoir marked with a windshield symbol. Use a clean funnel and pour water or washer fluid slowly to the fill line, avoiding overfill and engine areas. Wipe any spilled fluid and close the cap firmly. Double-check the reservoir after a short drive and top up if needed for clear visibility. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood safely. Locate the washer reservoir cap with a windshield icon and remove it carefully to inspect the tank for damage. Using a clean funnel, pour water or washer fluid until it reaches the indicated fill line, then replace the cap securely. Clean any spills and test the washer function briefly to ensure proper spray and reservoir seating before closing the hood. Choose washer fluid over plain water in freezing weather to prevent ice and maintain cleaning power. If the washer fails to spray after filling, inspect the pump fuse and hoses for blockages or damage and run a brief test. Never pour engine coolant or harsh chemicals into the reservoir because they can harm plastic parts and the pump. Keep a small container of fluid in your trunk for quick top-ups during long trips or bad weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.